Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be cleaning up the house. It is literally a gorgeous day out. So me and my family spent literally all day outside yesterday and we're going to be doing that again today. But I just put my kids down for nap because they did not sleep good last night. Lily kept the whole house up, so I just put them down for an early nap and I decided while they're going to nap, I'm going to get some stuff done around the house. Their playroom is a disaster, so I have to do something about that. I also did not do anything to make myself look in any way like super presentable. I just brushed my hair and put on some comfy clothes. It's just starting to get to be that point of the year where I don't really care, you know, if I'm not wearing makeup or if my hair is not completely straightened and stuff like that. So I'm drinking my water and we're gonna start the video. Also behind me, I get asked why I don't show my laundry room. I'm going to be doing a complete laundry room DIY here soon. What you see is we actually had to take the whole wall out behind our washer and dryer because during the winter time, our pipes ended up freezing and we had to take the wall out and, you know, put up different insulation and make it so they didn't freeze again. And so we need to paint. I actually need to choose like a wallpaper because I really want to do a wallpaper and like tile the floor and everything. So I will be doing that. But that's why I don't really show you my laundry room because it's still a work in progress. I don't know what I want yet. Before we get into the video though, I hope you guys choose to stick around and subscribe to my channel. I like to post cleaning content and motivational content. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into our video. Done picking up their toys and just organizing and putting them all away. I did run the vacuum. I didn't do it like immediately after I filmed this part because my kids were down for a nap, and honestly if I was to run that vacuum downstairs that would have been it and they would have immediately woke up. So I waited to do that until like an hour or so after they were awake. a different day now. This was the Saturday before Easter, and I did some grocery shopping, and I was just trying to get the house organized and picked up so that way we had a clean house for the Easter bunny to visit. I wanted to film a grocery haul of what we got, but I was already very overstimulated, you know, just trying to take care of the groceries and get dinner started and get our eggs boiling so the kids could dye Easter eggs. So instead, I just decided to film me putting them away instead. It was just easier for me to do, and at least it was done and everything was put away. If you look closely at the window in the back, you can see snow happening. We actually got some snow the night before Easter, which was ridiculous because it was like 70 degrees the entire week. And then the weekend of Easter, it snowed. I wanted to show you what I got at HomeGoods today. So I got these 2 wicker baskets. They were on clearance for $10 each. I got these for our bedroom side tables. And how cute is this Minnie Mouse soap dispenser? It had a matching like toothbrush holder too, so I got those. I got this Rae Dunn container for our Q-tips. I'm gonna swap the cotton balls for Q-tips. I got 2 of these seal tight jars for our coffee, this really cute mixing bowl, and I really needed a new colander. And then the spray bottle I got for my spray that I make. spray that I use in the new spray bottle that I got is I always do a 50-50 blend of some hot water and just white distilled vinegar. That's what my favorite thing to use to clean countertops is. For some reason, it just makes the quartz countertops look so much better than if you did, you know, the other stuff that they sell at the grocery store. My kiddos had an Easter basket from their grandma, which is what you see me putting away here. I tried to hide the chocolate before my kids saw me putting it away because we all know that kids will beg for that chocolate like immediately when they see it. So I was putting it up for now. They were allowed to have it before bed, but not before dinner. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.